Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna review the book cover keyboard case for your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I decided to pick up the Tab 8 Ultra, and then I also got the keyboard case or cover with it for free. But you can pick this up from Amazon. I think it's on back order now. I think the price is like $349, which we will talk about later on in this video. Is it worth it or not? You picked up the tablet and you want to be productive on it. You might use it for your business. You may use it for personal use. It's a big tablet. Do you want a keyboard on it? You probably do. You can do a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse, but with this keyboard here, it gives you the flexibility of, hey, if you need the keyboard, great. If you don't, you can take that off and still have the back cover on there too. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just review it, give y'all a couple little tips on it, and let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna move this bad boy out of the way. All right, so here is the back cover. Up here is a pen slot. It magnetically clicks to the tablet. And yes, I have been using it for a while. We have Brandon down there too. You can use this without using the keyboard. But here's the keyboard itself. It looks good. You have the little pinholes there. That's how you connect it to it. The mouse pad is, it's pretty sizable. The keys, they don't have a lot of play in it, but they actually feel pretty comfortable. Not bad at all. And it's a full keyboard too. It doesn't have the number keys over here, but you have it at the top. So let me put this on. I'll show you how to hook it to the tablet. Let's start with the back piece. So here's the back piece. I'm gonna show you what's cool about this piece too. So here's the tablet. You just line it up with the pen, and there you go. The cool thing about the this is this little kickstand. You can fold it all the way back. If you want it higher, you can do it almost higher like that. Or if you want it further back, like I said, you can put it this way. So that's actually pretty cool. But if you want to use the pen, let's see if I can get this on camera. You just flip that over and your pen's there. Plus it has the cutout for the camera too. So you don't even have to take it off if you want to use the camera. And it's not that thick either, as you could tell there. So, look. That's how I like this, just the back cover. Sometimes I take the keyboard off and just use it like this, which is not bad. All right, so how the keyboard stays on place is you just line it up and it clicks on. Now, the only problem is without the kickstand being open, this will fall. See? But you have the little kickstand and you can use it. Look, that looks like a legit laptop. It really does. That looks like a legit laptop. A new thing about the keyboard is that it has the backlight on there for the keys. So if you type in the dark, you can actually see it. It's kind of hard to do it. Let me see if I can show that off while I have y'all here. I don't know if I can. Right there you can see that the keyboard is lit up even though everything else is dark in here. There you go, the keyboard is lit. So if you want to type, you can actually see it. All right, so some cool things about this keyboard. This trackpad is big, but it also has some gestures in there. So if I swipe up, it brings up the app drawer. And if I do 2 fingers, I can go back and forth. If I bring 3 fingers down, I'm out. Also, if I want to bring up recent apps, I just hit 3 fingers and I have all the apps. If I swipe back down with the 3 fingers, it's gone. If you swipe down, you get your notifications. Again, swipe back and it's gone there too. So that is pretty cool. So the function keys up at the top here make it pretty easy to open up apps, and you can actually program it. So if I hit the function key and app 1, it brings up Twitter. If I hit the function key and F2, it brings up YouTube. I actually have one not set up, so I wanted to do this in the video, and it's actually pretty quick to do too, is how you do it. You bring up your favorite app. So I'm gonna bring up my apps. So I wanna use YouTube Music, right? And then you just hit function and then F3. And what it will do, it will tell you that YouTube has been assigned. So next time, if I get out, say I'll close this. Now if I hit function and F3, it brings up YouTube Music. So that's pretty good. It also has other functions. If you hit function, you can do the app drawer this way by hitting F4. You can brighten your screen by doing that. You can raise the volume, as you can tell. So it just depends on what you want to do. You can get up your settings too, which is pretty quick. Now, what else it can do without looking into your settings, if you hit function and then they have a DeX key over here, it will bring up DeX automatically. And then you're in DeX mode, which makes this tablet and keyboard even more. So if I want to get out of DeX, function key, DeX, and I'm going back to the tablet mode, which is all pretty cool. This keyboard is something else. It turns this tablet into a computer, a mini laptop, a laptop, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty powerful. I will show off the power in another video. Another thing about this keyboard is just the keys itself. It's pretty easy to press, like I said earlier. But also, the palm is pretty good in there. You can type pretty quick. I suck at typing, so I'm not going to show off the typing part of it. But overall, the keyboard is pretty good. It has the little shortcuts. Again, it makes it a productive device. You can do stuff. You can get stuff done. You can run Microsoft Office, Windows. You can run this as like a laptop with the keyboard cover case. Now, and the last thing that people want to talk about is the price. Again, $349. Is it worth it? For me, yes, it's priced a little too high. I wish it was like $299, $249. Is it worth it? If you need to have the flexibility of having a keyboard, you want the cover on there, you don't want to have to worry about carrying a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse, then yes, I would say it's worth it. It's your money. You're the one who's going to be spending it. I can't spend it and say it's worth it for you. But for me, yes, I wish it was a little bit cheaper. But overall, it gives me the flexibility to have a computer on the go without carrying a laptop or even a separate keyboard. And this is just a great way of doing it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, I will have links in the description if you want to pick it up from Samsung. It is on back order. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. And again, follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.